They done messed up giving me this wig because I can't stop. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Shibi here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So this unit that I have on today is from MyFirstWig. This is their curly ombre Leo unit from their Zodiac collection. Listen, this is giving me all the Leo vibes, okay? Like, I had so much energy putting this wig on. Like, I'm a Leo, so of course, you know, putting the Leo wig on, it's just like, I don't know, y'all. It's just something about this wig that just like really clicked for me. Like, this wig is everything. Like, it's just so bomb. This is probably my favorite headband wig that they've sent me so far. Like, they got this texture all the way together. Like, I feel like this is the type of kinky curly you want to take on vacation with you. If you've ever been on vacation wearing kinky curly wigs, it's not as easy as it seems, okay? When I went on vacation with a kinky curly wig once, it was more hassle than me going with like body wave or something. Like, this is for real just giving me all the Leo energy. Listen, I even got on my 1994 necklace because that's my birth year, okay? August 18th. Where my Leos at? Because this one's for us, y'all. They done messed up giving me this wig because I can't stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig install process and the details on the wig right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You want to continue to see videos like this. So you already know MyFirstWig hooked me up with a bunch of goodies from the website. These are all add-ons you can add on to your purchase. They sent me this gorgeous headband wig in velvet. I think it's so cute, probably perfect for the holidays. And listen, I haven't seen one in velvet yet. They also sent me this blingy one that you saw me wear at the beginning. Super cute, very Leo. They also sent me another edge control. Their edge control is so bomb, you guys. I mean, you can look at my edges right now. It got me together, and I'm an edge control snob. If you want to see me use the edge control on camera, check out my last MyFirstWig video. I did use it on that video on camera. They also sent me another wig kit, which is on sale on the website right now. You can get one free with an order and $50 off for Black Friday. So you can see the inside of the cap construction here, pretty basic. You got the 3 combs on the perimeter, adjustable straps, and the comb at the top. And let's get into this texture. Do y'all see this? I'm loving it. It's like a nice braid out texture, and the dimensions of the way that they ombre this is amazing. Plus the hair is so soft. Now this was something new. They added a new loop in there, so that way the extra headband that's hanging off the back of your head can have somewhere to go, kind of like a belt. I really like that. I know I had somebody ask me about that recently on one of my other headband wig videos, so I love that they added that onto there. And so with the fit of this wig, I feel like this is a great fit. I wear a number 2 with them. They do have a number 1 head size if you feel like your head is small and that these kind of, you know, fall off your head a little bit. They do have a 1 size if you need that.
And I'm hoping, so baby, don't fall. Next you know what I want. You know that I like it, baby. You know what's up, and you know what I need.
So this particular wig that I have on is the 18-inch one, and it is 130% density. And as I mentioned before, I have on the cap size 2. The texture of my real hair and the texture of this unit match up so well. Like, they are so on point to me. Y'all let me know if y'all think different, but I think it's super on point. Like, it literally looks like I just put a headband on my real hair. I lightly sprayed the top 2 corner areas, and that was to lay them down. And that's just me fitting the wig to what I wanted it to be. And that's literally all I had to do that. Like, this wig is such a throw on and go. It's so perfect. It's quick and it's easy. And with it being ombre, it's a nice little, you know, pizzazz to a headband wig. Listen, y'all, this wig was just giving me all the juice, all the energy. Like, it just made me come to life when I put it on. Like, I love this wig so much. So I'm trying on the headband. Y'all saw me wear this in the beginning, but you can see how I'm putting it on. Not that it's that hard to put on, but either way, you can see how I did it. And I just love like these big blingy headbands with big curly hair. I feel like they offset each other well. I feel like Princess Diana because it's so like tiara-like. I feel like I'm waving to the people of Genovia. Now y'all know I had to pull out the big oversized hoops. Call it extra if you want to, but I mean, I'm a Leo, that's what we do. So here is the velvet headband on my head. It looks so nice, and it's like an extra pizzazz because I mean, it's velvet. Where do you see velvet headbands? I've never seen one before and I like it. Yes, the headband is thick enough to cover your edges if you bought that life. I also picked up a headband from Still Looking Good 58. She's a fellow YouTuber on here, and she makes her own headband wig. She has her own headband wig line in an Etsy shop. I'll link her stuff down below if you want to check her stuff out. I'm loving this headband wig. It's so cute and just so like vibrant, and it's super soft. And I like it because it's really sturdy, so that way, I know soft and sturdy don't mix, but like I can wear it without having to use the combs because of how secure it feels on my head. So I already know I was gonna do a half up, half down with it. It's real 80s to me, like with this one. I don't know, maybe it's the color with the curls, but it looked real 80s to me. And I like because that this unit has layers, that when I did this bun, I didn't have to use any bobby pins or anything to make that bun work. Like it just kind of wrapped itself around each other, so it could just stay with like literally no work. I love it with the bun, actually, that half up, half down. So I got the bright idea to try something new, which was just flipping the hair over and doing a flip over. I hadn't done that with any of my curly headband wigs yet, and I thought that was super cute with this one. It's very like 80s looking to me. I don't know, is anybody else getting that vibe? Because it's really giving me 80s, especially once I put the hoops on, but I think it's really cute. And I love how you can just wear this headband wig plain and it's still giving pizzazz, even if you don't wear a headband, but you can if you want to. It just looks good. Like you just can't go wrong. If you're interested in the unit, details will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.